Aloha! You're watching F5 Web Media On Demand. I'm Peter Silva, Technical Marketing Manager with F5. And we're here at RSA in San Francisco. And it's actually Partner Spotlight Week with F5 Networks, where we're meeting a number of our partners, visiting their booths, seeing what they're doing. And today we're fortunate to be with Benny Czarny. And you are?
I'm the CEO of OPSWAT.
Perfect. And so for our audience, can you tell us a little bit about OPSWAT, what you guys do, and where you are in the market?
We'll do that. So at OPSWAT, we manufacture development toolkits. These development toolkits are being used by many switch vendors. We are honored and excited to partner with the F5. We have a
long time, years, yeah.
We've been working together for over 5 years.
Easily.
And we work together to improve the security of the end users trying to connect remotely from SSL VPN and IPsec, traditional IPsec VPNs.
Right, so if you ever use the FirePass SSL VPN or the new Big IP Edge Gateway and that little pre-host scan you see before you get your parameters to log on, that's the OPSWAT piece that's integrated into our devices. Go ahead. So I believe you have a little demo to show us, is that right?
Yes, actually at this show we are presenting a new product, a new exciting product already integrated to F5 devices. It's still in beta, we're planning to release that in Interop. What this product does is a really light and fast scanner, scanning the endpoint in 5 seconds using 8 antivirus agents.
Wow.
So by continuing our mission of development toolkits to improve the overall security of remote access users, we are proud to announce that.
And with many, nowadays there are a lot of untrusted devices and personal devices that are requesting access to the network. So it's even more critical that these endpoints, abide by the corporate security policy, whatever that may be. Antivirus, firewall, registration keys, all that, right?
Exactly. Yes, that's correct. And as you all know, antivirus is not perfect.
Right.
So there are many certification companies that are constantly measuring the success rates and our detection rate. Even the antivirus vendors themselves mentioned that they detect 99 or 95, several percentages, which means that multi-scanning is required. We take this approach in combination with the overall mission of security and remote access, and we came up with it.
Let's take a look.
So to do that, we have here Sergey. Sergey is, I'll let you pronounce your last name.
Hi, I'm Sergey Gorbati. I'm a software engineer working for OPSWAT. I've been with the company for 3 years now, and I'm lucky to present you with a new technology we have integrated with F5 for this demo. So on this laptop you see we have a persistent client which talks to the Meta Defender server right here. The flow of the demo will be following many of the use cases of F5 customers, which are taking the laptop, entering the network through the FirePass device, and doing some posture checks. So right here, I'm gonna try to do the same thing. So in our browser, I'm trying to go to F5 SSL again, and I'll try to start a new session. Upon starting a new session, there will be some checks performed whether the system is clean or not by scanning all of the processes that are running on this machine and sending them to the Meta Defender machine and getting them scanned.
Nice.
So as you can see, that login has been denied because Meta Defender for secure access has found some threats on this system. That's because I've been running some backdoor.
Naughty.
And so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to close it.
Okay.
And I'll show you the GUI of the persistent client, which is right here, and this is our client demo that shows that the scan has completed and has found one infection, which has prevented and let F5 know that you can't accept this user to the network.
Right, and it only took 2 seconds.
Right.
Nice.
And I can rescan it for you so you can see what it takes to get all the processes scanned. And now that the backdoor is not running anymore, all of the 255 modules, which are the processes and all of the modules required for them to work, have been scanned. It only took 2 seconds.
Wow.
So I'm gonna go back to my Explorer and I'll try to create one more session again, which will cause another scan right here, and you see that I'm
And we're in.
allowed to.
Well, not in. We still have to authenticate, but we're at least past that test.
Right.
Great. Wow, that's really
With valid
interesting.
credentials, we'll be able to log in.
Excellent. So, what's your booth here at RSA? If people are down in town and want to check it out.
You're welcome to come in and check our booth 356. We're right on the corner by the cafeteria. Very conveniently located, and welcome for anyone to show our demo.
And people can find you on the web where?
People can find us at OPSWAT.com, www.opswat.com, and this demo is also available under our products, MetaDefender for Secure Access.
Great. Real interesting stuff here down at RSA. And so for Benny, thank you. And for Sergey, I'm Peter Silva with F5 Networks. Thanks for watching.